encourage Department of Chemistry, in particular Department of Chemistry, but also the whole life sciences faculty to continue doing research of this sort and seminars to bring about experts like Dr. Sami to talk about how his research has become relevant.
Now, I would like to invite our first speaker, the guest speaker, Dr. Samiullah from Department of Chemistry, College of Science, King Khalid University, Saudi Arabia. So, as our chief guest is with us, so being an eminent economist, I would like to request our worthy Vice Chancellor for precious reviews and concluding remarks regarding this international webinar on industry-academia linkages.
So with that, I thank everyone again, the organizers, for a very timely seminar. I know Dr. Adnan has not been well, but today he looked so much better. And it's good to see him active again in the department. Dr. Samiullah from Saudi Arabia gave a very good lecture. So it's a very good effort. You should try to do this almost every week, every month. There should be activities like these so that we continue thinking about innovations, we continue thinking about commercialized products, and in that way create a positive impact on our society from our research. Thank you.